If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Good to see. Hope you had a good time and you are able to practice whatever we have discussed earlier. Let us start with Pratik. Pratik, where are you now?
Yes, Karna, I have gone through the 2 days missing sessions, and I have covered, like, I have seen all of the videos and I got the things from that, but I haven't got the time to practice. But
Okay,
I can able to understand two things: manager outmaps and rating skills.
sure. Sure. What did you understand? At least, understanding
Yeah.
basis.
So basically, in managed outmap,
Mhm.
we can decide the form, like the route of the form, like to whom it will go. So we have, like, we can we can configure the route map in 3 stages. Like initially, well, not three stages, but like how as per last session we have seen, like, uh, the form will go to the employee whole self review, then it will
Stages.
go.
Whatever you said, it was correct.
Yeah.
Modify
So
stage.
then, yeah, under modify stage, it will go to the uh, it we can make the step for employee review, then manager review, and final review. So in that we have steps like single role, iterative role, collaboration role. So through single role only we can manage, like we can configure in a such a way that only employee can review, or like that person only can review the form. In the iterative stage, we can loop the people, like accordingly, and the form can go backward and forward accordingly, as per their wish, from, like, as per the wish of
Yeah.
people's involved. And in the collaboration stage, the form will go to the selected people at the same time, and they can do the changes and complete the form. And the person who is having the user permission will send the form to the next stage. So this comes under modify stage. And in the signature stage,
What happens in the collaboration stage? Collaboration
in the
step.
collaboration, yeah, in the collaboration step, the form will go at the at the same time to all the people who are involved, all the roles which are involved in the collaboration stage,
Correct.
because all are the entry users. But we have to select who will exit the form by giving the permission.
Yep. And there are other minute details are there. And it is your responsibility to go and identify what and all we can do by using that. Understand?
Okay. Okay.
And I was saying to Himobindu, take a screenshot to prepare a scenario document,
Okay.
which is more important. That gives you more understanding when you are moving towards your interviews or practice, whatever it is,
Okay.
right?
Yes, Kana.
Good. How about the template configurations?
In the template configuration, we can assign the managed route map and rating scale, and like we can add customize, or we can add the existing one, route maps and rating scales, and then we can configure accordingly the
How many rating
performance.
scales that we can assign? How many?
So for one template, so
For
I
one
have
time.
seen only one. I have seen only one which can be assigned.
No, you will get the question all the time. What is the maximum number?
Okay.
You know, for each rateable section, you'll be assigning, you can assign one rating scale for each rateable section.
Okay.
Understand?
Not fully, Panna. Can you elaborate more?
What is a rateable section? Share your screen.
Yeah.
Let me stop sharing. This is
Share my.
yeah. This is the certification level of question, guys.
In managed templates, I don't have performance management access.
Oh, proxy is Mohan Kumar and try.
I can't. I'm not sure if Mohan Kumar is existing in this SAP system.
M Kumar. Okay. C Grant. Carla Grant.
Right.
Grant. Grant. C Grant. Grant. Wait. Yeah. This is a quite old system. Access to manage templates. Go from
Should not
admin
have
center. Go from admin center.
She
Oh,
don't have admin center access.
try for SF admin. SF admin.
Admin only.
Yeah, admin 2. The third one, try with the third one. It's your own system, right, Pratik?
It's SAP. It's SAP system.
No. I mean to say, this is not given by ZaranTech.
Yeah, not given by ZaranTech.
Okay.
It's demo system of SAP.
Now, even ZaranTech gives, they have to give the same SAP system.
Okay.
And you don't have the access. Not an issue. Not an issue. Hema Bindu. Hi, Hema Bindu. Can you hear us?
Yeah.
How is your practice going on?
Yeah, it's going good for now.
Okay. How's your confidence level?
Yeah, it's better now.
Okay. Share your screen. And can you
Yeah.
show us a quick demonstration? And what are the basic steps? How many templates you have created yesterday?
Actually, I created only one template. The other templates I'm trying to create where there can after where is that? I'll show you.
Share your screen. And also, I'll show you, Pratik, how many rating scales that you can assign in one performance plan template.
Okay.
These are the minute details. These are the very small details that will come for your certification process.
Okay.
You want me to go to the first step, Kanna? Manage roadmap?
First, you show how you have completed the cycle. Show us.
the template which I created. Okay, I'll show it from the start.
Yeah.
Navigate it to manage roadmaps. Here we are taking view, your map list, and then we will be creating a new roadmap. Build your own. We have to rename the roadmap as it as because there are so many templates, not mine, so that's why I'm giving this.
Sure,
And
sure.
then now,
No worries. Yeah.
yeah, modify stage. This is the first stage where like employee self rating will be, where we can get employee self rating. Okay, I'll take HR rep.
Pratik, try to get this access. Connect with
Yeah,
your.
I'll ask. Yeah, I'll use ZaranTech team today. Karna, here we have signature stage and completion stage. So mostly who will complete the these two stages? Like signature, employee will do the signature, or like manager will do the signature. How
They
it is
have to give
configured.
their signature. Usually, in any organization, it starts with the employee goal settings. The first step, it starts with employee goals settings. And then it goes to mid-year goals settings, and then year-end performance review. Year-end performance review, it would be a self-review, employee self-review, year-end. And once employee review himself on the goals, which was created by him and evaluated by manager, it will be evaluated by manager in a year-end manager evaluation. And after that, that goes for, the upper level, manager's manager, or we can say calibration step. Okay.
Okay.
Calibration is the additional part of SuccessFactors, through which we calibrate the ratings of the employee. Once the employee ratings are finalized, it will be sent to employee to identify, is there any gap, understanding mistake between what ratings we have given to employee, is he aligned with that or not?
Okay. So in this case, the ratings given by the manager will be visible to the employee.
Yes, yes. He have to see the rating. Otherwise, how he can confirm?
Okay.
You have to take his
And if he's having some doubts, like or like he's not aligned,
whatever his
then
clarifications, he can get the things done.
okay. Nice.
Can I tell Kana?
Who will complete the final step, completed stage?
With managed signature, it will be completed.
Okay, managers.
With manager's signature, it will be completed.
In step 2, like I have created, I have not taken the role as employee because in the step 1 itself, like we have the entry user as a employee. So here I'm taking the next level manager, second level manager, and HR reps manager. And here I've chosen HR rep manager and second level manager as entry users. So both of them will be getting the forms. But as I've chosen HR reps manager as exit user, so only HR reps manager can send the form to the next stage, next step.
Absolutely.
And now to the third stage, modify.
Are you able to understand this process, what she is
Yes.
trying to explain?
Yeah, Kanna. Yeah, Kanna. Yes.
Keep that
I'm clear.
framework in your mind.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
In the third one, collaboration stage. Okay, I'm giving the final assessment.
Himabindu, the confidence comes from the practice.
Yeah, Kanna.
And I asked how many templates I asked you to create?
50 to 100. Yeah, I told you, Kanna, in the launch forms, we'll be getting one dialog box, right, Kanna? Like to create, you want only manager permission or the employee self-employment assessment review. So there, to the next step, it is not going. So that's the reason I'm not able to create the template. One template I'm able to create. Whomsoever I'm taking the employee as a proxy, it's not coming. I'm getting stuck there.
For whom you are launching? Okay, show me.
Yeah.
We can see the issue what you're facing.
Shall I show after this, Kanna, after this step, or like?
No issues. You are about to complete the round. Rating scales, you can use the on what you have created, and then directly you can create a new performance plan template. When you create a new performance plan template, we are going to assign different rating scales for each rateable section.
Yes. Here I'm giving as concluded, Kanna, because I have so many templates are there, like final review, final assessment. So
No,
I just. This is collaboration stage, like where we can have more than 2 people, 2 to 10 people we can have. So here HR rep, I'm selecting employee and employees manager, and I'm taking second level manager also, and one more manager. Okay, so here I want the exit user as manager. So he's the one who will be taking the form to the final stage. I mean, like he's the one who will be finalizing the form. So now I'm saving this form.
Yeah, proceed.
Yeah, now we'll be going to rating scales.
And what currently you're doing is a basic configurations. And in this, there is advanced configurations are there. You can see, you can try taking the scenarios. What scenarios? You go through with that and find out what is the result. Take a Word document.
Yeah, I did.
Take the screenshots and write it. When you enable that specific feature, what happens in the SuccessFactors system? Because that is where you get the confidence. When you need to speak in interviews, you can explain that. Understand?
Sure. Here I navigated to rating scales, and from there I have taken a new I've gone to the step creating a new rating scale template. So here I'm giving this as rating template. Today is Jan 26. Okay. And here I'll choose only 1 to 3 rating. Okay, this will go here. Okay. 26. Yes, I'll save this. Yes, saved. Then now I'll go to manage templates. Admin center. From here, I'll go to manage templates. Now here, performance review, add new template. Here, Kanna. For order, it will come, I think, I don't know, but for the, we have to rename here. Okay. P or 26, 2002, I'll give. Save. I have created so many templates and I'm getting stuck here. I'm not able to go forward.
Okay.
This is the message I'm getting, Kanna.
Okay. I have a question.
Yeah.
You'll go to, you feel very hungry. You are in mid of your way to go to your friend's home. And you stopped in a hotel. You ordered for idli, but idli is not there.
It's 7:30.
Do you start just like that, or you search for alternatives?
Yeah, I have to take the already created template and I have to save it as a new template.
You know the answer.
Yeah, I thought to take that. Okay, I'll do that.
No, you are the one who can motivate yourself.
Yeah, I'll take this.
People who get stuck and leave, they are not, they're not great. People who find out the alternative options, they get more things comparatively than the others. Right?
Yeah. Okay, roadmap.
What is the third way of getting this done? You do it now. You do it now. I'll tell you.
Which roadmap I selected? J26. Okay. Jan 26, 2022. Yes. Yeah, I have here we have to take the template which we have created, roadmap which we have created in the starting step. And the rating scale also we have created.
This is the first place where you can assign the rating scale, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Proceed.
So rating scale, which one I created? Yes, RT26. RT26. No. Which one I created now? This many templates I created come from morning. So
only from morning.
Yesterday night after the class I created one. Okay. And morning I was doing all this. Take
some time and keep your mindset that you have to do, you can do.
Yeah. So
okay.
Here
one
we have
place you can assign the rating scale.
Yes.
And when you assign any rating scale, Pratik.
Yes, Kanna.
This is for the overall ratings.
Okay.
Rating scale. Click on edit fields and sections.
Yeah, and we have to go
what
for
in
the
all rateable sections here? You can rate goal section, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Scroll down.
And we have to take the goal template here. Okay, I'll take.
See how you can, proceed. You can push for advanced learning is take each and every option. Scroll up. Goal section name is there. Under that, there is add more. Why there is add more? Give a question for yourself. What you can do with that? Click on that. You can see what is the need of add more. Then you understand this is for the language text. You know, you can add the language with a different
Okay.
languages. Understand? Label.
Yeah.
Add a couple of them and see how it works. Then scroll down. In description, you can see not only a text, you can assign hyperlink over there, and you can assign multiple things over there. See, what is the maximum words? Identify. How better you
So
can build this? Identify it. Yes, tell me.
no, I got.
How, you can add the pictures. You can add the pictures as well. See, you can increase or decrease. You can play with it, right? This is what the minute details, each and every option, what it does, you must know it. If you are not knowing, your practice is not going in a right way. Pratik, Himabindu,
Yes, Kanna.
Yes, Kanna.
are you getting it? These are the things you'll get in the interviews.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Kanna, here you said like we can give pictures and everything, right? So about the goals you mean like whatever
No, this is a description. It's an introduction.
about the goal.
About the goals. This section is evaluating accomplishments of goals,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
If you don't know anything, what you have to do the first thing?
Implementation.
What is the next step?
Now save the.
No, ma'am. What is the alternative for that? If you don't find, it is not that easy to understand from implementation guide. And it is also not that easy to identify from implementation guide. What you have to do in that case? You have to take help. From whom you will take help? There is one best friend of you all the time who responds. That's a Google search.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just go to Google and give any question. How many rating scales that you can assign to performance form template? Go to Google. Do you understand why I'm saying this?
Yeah.
We can assign to performance template. Comma success factors. You have to ask Google in a way that it can understand. See, you get so many options. Click on the first one. Always trust SAP. That is called KBA note, knowledge base article. Of course, you can click on read more and read it. If it is a public document, you'll get it. If it is a private document, they will ask you for this. I think Pratik can access this. Okay.
Yeah.
If it is not working, go back and search for the other link. But always find out the proper link. Close this and go to the previous tab. Yeah. Scroll down. Always find out which refers to SAP. SAP. No, that's not SAP. That is, yeah.
SAP
Rating.
DotCom.
Huh. You can go there. Click on that. Yes. This works. You can see. And your work is to identify which one you can make use of it. Right?
Yeah.
Is this understandable what I'm saying?
Yes.
This is how you have to increase your level of learning. No one will come and tell you all these things. Please remember. And there are so many things to learn here. The training will only teach you the basics and intermediate level of understanding on the subject. But it is your responsibility to push yourself to the maximum end so that you can benefit out of it. There are two types of people, Pratik and Hemabindu. Please remember,
Yes.
people who can go with others' compulsion, with others' help, and they stop wherever they don't get the help, and they find, they find the reason to say that I did not get any help here, and they will stay in the same place forever. And the other type of people who can push themselves and try getting help from alternative sources like this, they can reach to the maximum levels of their career. Understand?
Yes.
How do you
Yeah,
want to
Kanna.
see yourself? Don't think that whatever you are learning in the training is final. There is beyond that. Always. No training can give you 100%, insights towards the entire module. It's vast. It's very big. We will teach you the basics and we will show you the path. If you are able to catch the path, you will be a successful consultant. If you stop wherever there is someone who can't help you, who don't help you, it is your responsibility to push yourself further and get the things. Right?
Yes.
Any questions, concerns?
I need to see Kanna, like where we can assign the rating scale for different
Go back.
sections.
Yes. Go back to previous step. Scroll down. Scroll down. Show
No, it's
advanced
not.
options.
Uh,
Scroll down. Down. Yes. There is something called rating scales. Above. Yeah. This is the additional rating scale. Apart
oh,
from what we have given in the general settings.
okay.
This is, wherever you can rate a rateable section. Understand?
Okay.
Means you can have, for general settings, you can have a different rating scale. For goals, you can have a different rating scale. And again, the permissions, what you set here. Can you see the section permissions, action permissions, field permissions? For example, I'll ask you a question. In the goals management, within the performance management form, there are some fields which you don't want it to show it to manager. That is not relevant. And that has to be seen only by employee, or vice versa you can take. In this case, how do you control the field permissions? Pratik.
Through template level permissions, Kanna.
Yes, we have to set the permissions. Which field
Yeah.
for whom you are showing, right? For
Yes.
some sections, you don't want it to show the detailed information for HR executive. For example, you don't want it to show what type of goals which were done by employee and what is the exact rating that he got for each and every goal. And what HR executive he can see is of overall ratings. That's it. There's no need to show him the entire section for him. In that case, how do you configure? Section permissions, the first one. Click on section permissions. When you go to section permissions, you can add it. Everything is there in the implementation guide. But of course, it is our responsibility to identify what is section permissions in performance management. The best way and the easiest way to understand this is to go to Google and search, ask Google, and then you go to implementation guide. Go to Google and search what are the section permissions in performance management.
No, no.
Yeah, now you do it.
Shall I click on here done or cancel them?
You can cancel it and you can just go there and ask Google. Listen to that. Listen to different sources of data. Pratik, did you understand what I'm saying?
Just gonna.
If you don't understand anything, go and ask Google first.
Correct.
Because you get the layman understanding. Always you have to do common success factors. See, section permissions types. Click on read more. I don't know, nowadays they are making everything. Just go to the previous tab and find out the other one.
1 second.
No. You already
I
opened it.
closed it. Yeah, I closed
No,
it.
you
That's
did
why.
not close it. You did not close it. The previous tab, previous.
Yeah.
No, previous to that, we can see it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Scroll down.
Here,
The
this
next one. Get whatever the information. Just have a look on that.
It will again ask. Yeah.
I don't think they are taking away from the open source network. Okay, not an issue. Now you open the implementation guide. Go and open the implementation guide. Control F. Performance management. You're already there in the same page. Download it.
I think I already downloaded it.
It's okay. Download PDF, full document. Control F. Yeah, section permissions. Click on that. What it says?
Learn about the section permission type and the permission configurable sections on the performance management form.
How many types of permissions are there? The second one, can you see? Permission types. Above. Yes.
Hidden, disabled.
Can you see? Scroll up and see. Hidden, disabled, enabled. Yes. What are they? Is this understandable? Is this making sense?
Yes.
There is something in the implementation guide that can guide you what you have to do in the performance plan template. Right?
Yes.
This is what I want you to understand. You have to start doing this. A rigorous practice can help you. Right? Now you go ahead and assign the multiple rating scales for each rateable section.
Here I assigned one.
What are the, can you see there are so many options over there? Apart from section permissions, tab permissions, action permissions, there are so many things are there. Identify what is what. Take a Word document, copy that line and understand, give your understanding what is what. This only comes when you start looking into it. This is required field permissions, which means what is required? Usually we have seen when you're filling any form, there is something called in a red star.
Mandatory.
Mandatory. See what and all you can see, what and all you can give. Without filling those informations, they cannot move further. What is that?
Sign, signature, sign, next step.
That is one thing. You can add the field. Click on. If you don't fill this information, if system don't find this information updated, system will not allow you to send it to next step or send it to sign. Item ratings. What is item here? A goal. Pratik, did you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Kanna.
Item comments. Item means it's here, it's a goal. Item weight means it's a goal. Section weight. What is a section weight? It's a goal section. Summary section. Right?
Yes.
Section comments. Subject ratings. Who is the subject? Employee for whom you are launching the form. I want you to prepare a detailed document. Guys, is this understandable? Are you able to understand this?
Yeah, come.
Yes, Kanna.
This is one thing which is more important. And if you're not preparing a document, what I told you, how many times you have given yourself interview? This is for Himabindu.
Yes, Kanna.
How many times you have given a self interview? I ask
Self-interview?
you to stand in front of mirror and record.
Yeah, I
Explain
didn't do
the
it.
functionality.
I forgot. I didn't. Tomorrow I'll do it, Kanna.
Do it. Keep it to yourself. That is for your betterment. Do you want to restart your career or not?
Yeah, I have to.
How soon you want to restart?
As soon as possible. Once I'm.
No, you know, whatever I'm saying, you have to accept with the confidence. Understand? Yes, everyone have to go through the same path. No need to be shy. No need to feel guilty. You can do it. This is your career. Take the whole responsibility. Right?
Yes, Kanna.
Whatever it is. If mistake happen, yes, it happened. No worries. We'll correct it. Understand?
Yes, Kanna.
Absolutely, absolutely. That is good. If you get any issues, you can review the alternative sources. You should not stuck anywhere. The base thumb rule, either in SuccessFactors or in your life, you may get multiple stoppers, obstacles. You should never stop. Right?
Yes, Kanna.
So where and all you can assign the rating scales. Show it to Pratik.
In here only, in these two places only, right, Kanna?
No, rateable sections. Understand? Go to add new section. This is for the performance goals. What else you can add sections? See, competencies is a section. Add it. See how many things you can add it here. Good.
Yeah.
Competencies. What are the competencies, guys? Competencies. Competencies are the basic qualification that you're supposed to have to perform a specific job. Having good communication skills is a competency.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
Similar to that, each and every basic qualities that you're supposed to have is a competency. You can have 3 types of competencies: core competency, custom competency, and job specific.
Oh, okay.
Click on core competencies. These are the core competencies. Scroll down, you can see core competencies. By default, it will be activated.
Okay. Acting decisively, acting strategically.
Do you understand?
Yeah. Yesterday in the rating section, this was there.
Exactly. You can rate.
Yeah.
Okay. When you can rate, you can add a different rating scale. Show advanced options. See, you can assign a rating scale. Scroll down.
This one now only assigned? No. Okay.
No, you can assign. For goals, you have assigned a different rating scale.
Yes.
For competencies, you can assign a different rating scale. For general settings, you can assign a different rating scale.
Okay. Now I'll take signature.
And there is one more section where you can see a rating scale, which is summary section. Save it and go to summary section.
I have to save here. Can I save it
Yes.
and go?
Yes. Pratik, are you able to understand, Pratik?
Yes, Kanna.
Are we going slow, Pratik?
No. That's fine. Yeah, Kanna, no. But we have to understand that. That's fine.
Yes. You must understand and you must get that energy to push yourself further.
Yes.
There are so many things you have to learn in this.
Yeah.
Show advanced options.
Summary.
Yes, in summary section. Can you see the weightage that you are giving for your for goals? You are giving 50%. For role specific competencies, you are giving 50%. You can just change that to 90% for the performance goals and 10% for the role specific competencies. Or yes, 5% for role specific, 5% for role specific, and 5% for other competencies. Remember, you can never give beyond 100%. If you would like to change that, you have to do a code change. But most of the cases, you cannot do that.
Okay.
Performance and potential summary. I think. Can you try checking for the overall summary section? Check for the show advanced options. Show advanced options here and see. Can you try getting the overall summary section? Add new section, add new section. and try if you can find out. Add new section. Add new section on the left hand side.
Yeah.
Overall.
Overall.
Okay, which is missing here. Not an issue. Basically, the concept is for each and every rateable section, you can add one rating scale. Save it and launch the form here. And what is the third way of creating a performance template? You can download performance template XML. Go to general settings, advanced options, scroll down, advanced options, advanced settings. Okay. You don't have permissions from here. So you have the other option through which you can download the XML template, which is go back and search for form template settings. Go back to previous tab. Form template settings. Now, navigation path I'm talking about. Form template settings. What is the form name? What's the template name? Control F. Search for it.
Now with the form which in roadmap we created, right?
Proceed.
Okay. I think it is ER J26.
I don't find anything with that. 2022 or 22?
I forgot that. 1 second, I'll see here itself. I can.
Okay. Create a duplicate. Along with performance templates, you can find compensation template, job requisition templates, all of them here.
This one also I only created, but I don't know when I created.
Create a duplicate tab.
Yes, this one can PR.
Okay, click on that. Click on that, on the name. Can you see download form template? On the right hand top corner. Pratik, are you able to see this?
Yes, I can see it. So
yeah, it's the third way. Yes.
To which tool we can import again?
From the same tool. Manage form templates. Download it. I'll show you. You have to save it in your desktop and you can open it with either Notepad++ or you can open directly with Internet Explorer. It's a best practice to download it and save it in a desktop. And then open with Notepad++. Or I don't think you have Notepad++. You can use Google Chrome, no issues. I think Pratik can do. If you can use your Windows system, you can do that. In Apple, we don't have Notepad++. See, this is a form template, the XML template, what we are seeing in the front end. Whatever you create, the permissions, the sections, that will create a code in a back end, right? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
You don't need to do all these things, Pratik and Himabindu. This will be done automatically. This code is generated by system. This is a consequence of your configurations in the front end. In the other way you can do the changes in the XML and get it reflected in the front end. You can import back these changes That will create a new performance plan template.
Okay.
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 Just go back to form template settings option. Form template settings option.
Form template.
No, navigation path, form template settings.
Okay. Here I'll give Kanna. This one only, right, Kanna?
Yes, yes. Up all forms on the left-hand top corner. Up all forms on the left-hand top corner. Down, down, down. Yeah. Scroll up.
Here, right?
Yes.
You want me to click on that?
Click on that. Upload new form on the right-hand top corner. This is how you can create a new template.
Okay.
Give a template name and you can upload it. That will create a new template. Give a template name, upload the XML file.
Template name, a new one or already created?
New one. You're creating a new one. Whenever you do this, you will create a new template.
Review. Join all this. Upload, right? Upload, right, Kanna?
Yes.
Is where it is uploaded?
What happened?
I clicked on this. I don't know where that. This is the message.
What is that? Read it.
Some line 1, column 1, premature end of file. Use this page to load new form templates into the system. Line 1, column 1, premature end of file.
Okay, choose it again. Choose it again. Choose. Give a name. Give a unique name. Yeah, it must be a unique name. Remember, you are creating a new performance plan template.
Okay.
Choose the file where you saved. It doesn't mean that you can directly do that. You have to choose the file.
I didn't save it anywhere, right? I don't know where it's. From where I have to.
Save it now. Save it in desktop. That's what I said. Save it in desktop.
I didn't get it, Kana. What you're telling. This one I have to save or what?
The previous file, XML file, what you have downloaded, save it.
Oh, that one where I downloaded. Okay.
You have downloaded it. You have uploaded it. Now you can see the new form templates. Go to manage templates.
Where I have to go, Kanna? This is done.
You have already imported it. No worries. You can now you can check. Go to manage templates. .
Performance review.
Yes, yes, performance review. Proceed.
Uh,
Your check. Where is the template that you have created? Newly created one. Now, through import.
I'm not able to see the template.
Log out and log in and see. You have imported.
I have to log out now.
Yeah, just log out and log in. That's the best practice. Okay. No, not that. SuccessFactors login, log out. On the right hand side, can you see? Yeah.
Yeah,
Log
yeah.
out and log in.
Have to process Audrey again. I'm not able to see Kanna.
That may be taking a little time, but that is a process. Okay. Now we go ahead and launch the form. What you have already created, the template, through the template. No, you have to launch the form. From where you can launch the form.
This one, yes. Next. 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 Here we have to give the employee. But Kanna, we thought like I have to proxy as a manager and then we have to get.
No
right?
need. You can create a form for any of the direct report of Audrey.
Okay.
Find out who is the direct reports to Audrey.
Okay. Sam Jones. Okay. Here we are taking that form which we have created, the template,
Proceed.
and then we are choosing the employee, Sam Jones. Sam. She's the one. Yeah. Yes.
Are you able to add it now?
Yes.
Option that you can see here, you have to explore. For each and every option, what happens if you select a group? You have to think in that way. Proceed for now.
Okay. Launch.
Yes.
Close. So
Where can you see with whom it will be available?
now Sam Jones. Employee.
Perfect.
Sam Jones.
Proceed.
Okay. Now to go to.
Have you proxied as Sam Jones? It will be in the inbox. Why are you going to admin center? It will be in the inbox. Please understand the functionality.
Yeah, inbox.
All forms. Go to all forms. If you don't find it in inbox, go to all forms on the left-hand top corner.
No, I didn't get.
Is this the same employee for whom you launched?
Yes, Kanna.
Who is the first step in the route map?
Audrey.
Who is the first step owner in the route map? See the route map. Create a duplicate tab and see the route map.
Employee, Kanna.
Check it. Because the form will go to the first route step owner. Log in again. Identify who is the first step owner and it will be with them. Go to all forms. Search, go to search options. Go to inbox. Go to inbox. No issue.
Inbox.
Inbox. In process. Then you can see inbox. Yeah. Can you see the search option? Yeah. Okay. All templates, all divisions. Select your template. Where is your template? Search. Okay, show me the route map that you have created. Show me the route map which is assigned to this. Go here, become self and go to route maps.
I have to Audrey, right? Kanna? I have to proxy as Audrey.
You can become self. We'll go back to Audrey. Oh, you have your own user. That's good. Go to admin center. You must be able to do that. Go to admin center. Switch back to one admin.
Yeah. Oh, I'm totally confused.
Yes, go there. Go there.
What I have to see?
Manage templates. I wanted to see the route map which is assigned to that template.
Performance review.
Go to performance review. You're correct. Whatever you're doing is correct. Don't get confused. General settings. What is a route map you have assigned? ER Jan 26, 2002. Okay. Go to route map and find out this route map. No, that's not an issue. That's the name of the route map. Year Jan 26, 2002. Okay. Go to route maps in the navigation path. Go to route maps in the navigation path. Here. Your own route maps list. Find out 2002, year Jan 26. Who is the first route step owner? You said it is employee, but I can see it is HR rep.
Yeah.
Understand what happening here? Who is the HR rep for that employee? Okay, if you lost in this way, how to find out where the form is, with whom the form is?
With the manager, it will be there.
No. You have selected the first step as HR rep. It will be with the employee's HR rep. Understand?
Okay. Yeah.
Find out who is the employee HR rep. Enter the employee name here. Enter the employee name in the search for actions of people. Yes, employee name. See, the first step you have given, you asked, you have no, Audrey. Did you launch it for Audrey? For whom you launched?
I launched for Audrey only. No, Sam Jones.
Don't get confused.
Yeah, Sam Jones.
Okay, click on that name. Scroll down. Okay, Audrey is manager and find out who is a HR representative. Scroll down, scroll down. Job relations, you can find out. Wait. Scroll up. This is our chat. No, we don't want our chat. We want the job relations. Job relationship. We want job relationship. Scroll down, scroll down. Yeah. Yes, it will be with this employee. Copy this employee name. Copy this employee name. Go back. Proxy as this employee.
Here itself I can proxy, right, Kanna?
Yes. Do you understand, Pratik? Did you understand what?
Yeah,
what
the mistake I
mistake she did?
understood. Yeah, I got it.
That's not a mistake. That's just learning. No, Bindu. Remember, that's not a mistake.
Yeah, Kanna.
Skip the tour. Go to home. Go to performance. What is this?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Whomever you keep in the route step owner, only with them it will be available. Click on that.
Okay.
Guys, did you understand what's happening here?
Yes.
Yes, Kanna. Yes.
Add goals. I don't find any goals for her. How do you add goals?
I have to go for it.
No. I told you this. There is something
Yeah,
called
you
add goals.
told
Add goals.
Add goals, yes.
Yes, you're forgetting again.
No,
No,
Kanna, I'm getting confused.
don't get confused. If they are not able to create goals, which means she don't have permissions, which means as a HR rep, she don't have permission.
Yeah. Added learning goals.
She don't have permission. That's what I'm saying. HR rep is not having any permission. Back.
So,
and become self. Become as employee and then create goal.
become self.
No. You can become the employee. Sam Jones.
Okay.
Sam Jones. Always you have to keep the functionality in your mind. And according to your mindset, you have to move further.
Yes. Now again,
Goals.
performance.
No, goals. Goals. Select the goal plan template. What is a goal plan template that you assign to the performance plan template? No, on the right hand side, right hand. No. Yes. SF goal plan is there. Next to name. Yeah. Which
But
goal
I did
plan?
not these two, I think.
Okay, it is not activated for this. Okay, proxy as her manager.
Can we take any? We have to
No.
take that plan template only, Kanna.
Only that goal plan template, which is integrated with the performance plan template.
Actually, I don't remember which goal. I think this one only, Kanna. I think.
You must keep a note of everything here.
Yeah, no, actually, to go all
Proxy
goal
as
plans.
Audrey. Proxy as Audrey. Proxy as Audrey.
I have to go. SF goal plan only.
Okay, you don't have permissions. How to set the permissions for this? How to set the permissions for this?
Role based.
Okay, go to role-based permissions, manage permission roles. First, you have to identify which role they are in. Audrey, view user permission. View user permission. The navigation path is view user permission. View user permission.
One mistake is there, so
You can proxy as M Kumar and search for this option. M Kumar for the search option.
search option. M Kumar.
No, proxy as Mohan Kumar. Proxy as Mohan Kumar. He may have view user permissions. Okay.
Goals, right? Kanna.
Select Sam Jones. No, why we logged in as Mohan Kumar? To check the permissions, go to view user permission. In the navigation path, view user permission. Even he don't have access.
Admin.
Let me check it.
Kanna.
Let me ask them to send an email to ZaranTech team.
No, we can see through Anya Singh.
Oh, Anya Singh is there, right? Okay. Go to Anya Singh. Go to Anya Singh.
Yes.
Yeah. Username. Or search for the user, which is Sam Jones. Sam Jones.
First name.
Sam is the first name. Jones is the second name.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, go there. Yeah. Click on that. This is where you can see the goal plan template. Control F. Control F and search for goal plan. Goal plan. Goal plan. Can you see what permissions he have to see? 2020 goal plan. Okay, only these permissions. Only this goal plan permissions.
Yeah, even SF goal plan is there, Kanna.
Even SF goal plan is there. You can see
Yeah.
the SF goal plan under him, but
Yes,
not the
yes.
goal plan that you created. Understand? If you would like to give that permissions, you have to go to manage permission roles and then go to employee self-service and grant the access. Right?
Yeah.
And grant the access.
And now,
Good, guys. Hope this is, practice still here, and we'll continue in our next session. Bye.
yeah.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.